time RVers, how's it going? Well, we are at Daddy Joe's. We realized this is the first time in
2 years?
Almost 2 years since we've been here. And actually the first time ever we've stayed over here. We got this nice, beautiful site. Nice view of the lake. There's a new building they're building. I think that's going to be their store and everything else inside there. There's the old store, I guess current store and restaurant over there. But that's all your activities and things out in that area. So this is our first weekend camping since we went to Yellystone. So we haven't camped in how long? 6 weeks?
6 weeks? Yeah. Probably 6 weeks,
yeah. Because I mean, it's been 2 weeks since we went to Yellystone. So we actually had our Cedar Creek here at the dealer we bought it from because we had some issues, most of which I've taken care of myself, but we had to get our front door replaced because there was a gap, good 1/4 inch gap, about halfway, maybe even more than that around where you could just feel the heat coming in. So we picked it up. It was all repaired on time. Thank you, Carolina RV. And we're ready to go. Here comes Maddie and her friend. Yeah, looks like we have some visitors here. Mom and Dad going looking for a place to lay some eggs, I guess. They're cute little guys. Quacking their way through. So a couple weeks ago we went to, where we go, Cabela's, and we got this remote controlled alligator head. You may have seen it before. What was it, on TikTok or something? But we're thinking about sticking it in that lake over there. It's kind of perfect because if you look, there's a set of trees and then there's people fishing over there. So we're thinking Dawn can maybe put it in over there and I'll kind of walk over there with the camera and see if I can catch their reaction. Good morning, how you doing? Yeah, we didn't do much last night, just hung out for a little while. Came out this morning to drink our coffee and enjoy this view. Sun's coming up. Got cakes on the griddle. No, we don't, but sun is coming up. Just enjoying the view of the lake. Breakfast is served. Got some salsa picante, hot sauce on the eggs. Got our little
2 months out of the year I get
collagen drink. I've had her fill of coffee already. See how it goes.
What?
Why did this bounce out of there? I mean, seriously, it bounced out of there.
I love the show. What is it?
This castle.
We're gonna go ahead and hit the pool for a while, enjoy the beautiful day, and stay cool. Unfortunately, no one was here yesterday to enforce the no smoking sign here. Well, like I was saying with the no smoking sign, of course yesterday there's someone smoking a cigarette, so we had to move in the pool because the wind was blowing our way, and of course the ashes go right on the ground, and then he puts his cigarette out right on the ground. I think we just all need to show a little respect for some rules and regulations. Anyways, we're heading back to the camper for a while, have lunch, and then go on to the next activity. Lunch is out cooking. It's the afternoon. I think it's time to check the beer box. Let's go. So we ended up going with Big Boss Brewing Company, Raleigh, North Carolina. Costco variety pack, Bad Penny Brown Ale, Big Boss Lager, and CB Go-See. I think I'm gonna go with the CB. Here we go. Very fruity and kind of sour, but it's good. It actually has a pinkish tint to it too. Oh yeah, let the fun begin.
Biggest splash contest starts in 15 minutes.
I just got a text message.
Evidently the splash contest is in 15 minutes. Had eggs with some onions and green peppers for breakfast. And now I'm getting some of my fruit in. See? It's made with real fruit.
Guys.
We can't wait till someone gets in that spot to fish tonight because we're going to do the little alligator thing with them. Gonna head up to the ice cream shop, get some ice cream. And in a little while they're gonna have a fishing derby at the lake here. We'll see how many people show up. We'll be able to watch right from our camper right there. And then after that, hopefully it'll break up some. There'll be a few stragglers left behind, and we'll see if we can get that alligator in the lake. So I went with the purple cow and the pineapple cake batter. What'd you get?
Almond Joy.
Almond Joy. Maddie?
I thought you got chocolate pretzel.
I didn't like.
They got frappuccinos and cake pops. And they're doing a little giveaway, so we got our ticket for that for spending 20 bucks. So maybe Monday we'll win some free stuff. That's always good.
Drive all the way here to get it.
Well, we'll come back next time we come back. We'll get it. Bob Ross says yummy, yummy. Ice cream is so good. It's all handmade by one of the family members. And there's always kind of kooky flavors. Every once in a while they'll have Carolina Reaper. I used to get that a lot. I haven't seen it lately, but it's made with Carolina Reaper peppers, so it's a little bit spicy. That's really good. But I can't go wrong with ice cream. All right, we're going to put it in, and then we're going to have the waiting game. Try to wait for someone to come over there. The little fishing derby's over.
Has nothing caught in anything. Mom, don't let it go.
Maybe you dip it. You want me to dip it tonight? It's going to be hard because you got to fight the current.
It's so embarrassing. You're stuck. And then you sat on the hook. That's not fine. It would have burnt your skin.
Is that an alligator?
So dumb. Oh! We are. You got me.
So we were able to get a couple little reactions from the alligator. It was kind of cute. One lady was very surprised, but everyone else kind of, you know, took a second look and realized what it was. It was fun. People enjoyed it. We are gonna hit candy bar bingo tonight and then come back to the camper and get ready to head home. Where are we heading?
To the amphitheater to play candy bar bingo. Yay!
Woohoo! Sun's going down and it is beautiful out. So this one's just going to be a block of these 6 right here. The B&I, the top 3 of B&I.
B6.
So we're doing bad luck bingo.
Over here.
Anyone that thought they had a terrible card, we all stood. If you get your number called on your card, you sit. Of course, I was the first one to sit. So 4 of them left.
Okay, so we just have 4 people left. Okay. G60. So G60, take a seat. Oh, okay. So we're doing 3. This evening,
Last game, guess who won?
Would you bring your cards back up here for me as well?
Dawn won.
Have a great evening, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Winner, winner, candy dinner. Well, it ended up that Dawn won a whole boatload of candy because she was the last winner. So
I would run away.
Why did you scream when I screamed?
Because I was happy.
Oh, we both screamed because I thought I did something wrong, like you were telling me I didn't win.
Oh, it's kind of hard to see, but there's the camper across the distance there. Got the Daddy Joe's magnet.
Let us be in it.
Do you think it's cheating that we did our Yellystone and Cody and stuff magnets,
Yes.
but we actually didn't camp there? Is that cheating? I don't know. But we did, we got Cody and Cook City, Silvergate, Yellowstone. I don't have glasses on, so I can't read this one.
Do you have a top to this?
What do you think? Leave in the comments below if you think that's cheating that we actually didn't camp there, but we did visit, so. Hey, good morning. Well, it's time to wrap up, get ready to go home. It's Sunday. We had a great weekend. Haven't been here for almost 2 years, and kind of forgot how much we enjoy this place. It's just something different. We do love everything about Daddy Joe's, so we will be back. I think we'll be back more often than not. It's close by home too, so that makes it great. In less than 2 weeks, we're going to be heading to a new campground. It's called Mountain Stream, new to us anyways. It's in Marion, North Carolina, towards the mountains. We'll be heading there. We're kind of iffy about the roads. We're hearing some stories about pulling big campers, but we're going to do it anyways. Hey, it's not an adventure if you don't have a little excitement along the way. So we're going to end it here. Give us that thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, share, comment, and we will see you at Mountain Stream in a couple weeks. Bye-bye.